Hi, I'm Hasan Orhun Yener, and I'm a freshman student in the Department of Electrical and Electronical Engineering at Bilkent University. Now, I'm going to represent my Physics 101 lab project. My project is about comparing the experimental center of mass and the geometric center of mass. The materials I used are 3 rulers, 2 wooden blocks, 2 cylinders, 2 cubes, 2 rectangular prisms, and a scale. I built a setup. I attached a ruler onto a wooden block. Then I tapped 2 more rulers perpendicular to the block and the first ruler. There is a 1 centimeter gap between these 2 rulers. And this gap corresponds to the space between the 26th and 27th centimeters on the ruler. I placed the block onto the setup and measured the position of the block's edge. I applied this method to all the blocks I used and found their experimental center of masses accordingly. In this experiment, I built a setup to find the experimental centers of mass of different objects. By applying the same method to each object and observing the point where they lost balance, I calculated their experimental centers of mass. After comparing the experimental results with the theoretical centers of mass, I observed that there were noticeable differences between them. These differences likely occurred due to small imperfections in the objects, slight asymmetries, inaccuracies in measurement, or limitations in the experimental setup. Overall, this experiment demonstrated that while theoretical calculations assume ideal conditions, real-world factors can cause deviations. It highlighted the importance of careful measurement and also showed how experimental data can help us understand and improve our assumptions about physical systems. Thank you for watching my video.